Hi, Michael here from LSW Lighting, and we have an exciting update introducing the newly designed 3D printed trackheads. One thing I love about 3D printed luminaires by Signify is how easy it is to design your own. Let me show you how. Just scan this QR code in. Okay, so we're at the MS Track Series website. So this is where we can start configuring our own luminaire. You'll see key information here, including how 90 CRI is standard using AccuRender technology. If you're unfamiliar with AccuRender, it's better than just 90 CRI, and we have a video you can watch on that technology. You'll see other information like this is DLC rated and Interact is available. So when you're ready, you can click on Start Configuration. Okay, and this is where we're gonna choose light options. CCT, in this example, let's go with 3500K. Our lumen packages, we'll choose 2300 lumens, and then we can choose our beam angle. And in this case, let's go with a narrow beam. We then can choose our adapter, and let's leave it at light allure. Next, we can choose our color. I really like that matte steel blue, so we'll go with that color. Different colors are available upon request and will require a longer lead time. After, we can choose our texture. Then we can create a spec sheet, and this is our spec sheet. You then can download the spec sheet to order the product. It will be printed, and before you know it, you'll have your package. Instruction manual. There you go, our 3D printed luminaire. If you're in the Alberta market and if you need more information, please reach out to us here at LSW Lighting. We enjoy helping you with your projects. And with 3D printed luminaires by Signify, you can create some very unique designs at cost-effective prices. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you didn't like this video, please hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. My name is Michael Gonzalez. Thanks for watching.